5 anger management techniques. Created by progressmission.com. Number 1, deep breathing. Breathing is a great way to calm your anger. It brings oxygen into the brain to help you think more clearly. When you think clearly, you can gain control. Number 2, talk about it. Talking about your anger can help you get it out in a safe way, which can help you feel better. Number 3, journal writing. Journal writing is another good way to express your anger in a healthy way. Number 4, drawing. Drawing can be a great way to calm or express anger or frustration. Number 5, positive thinking. Positive thinking is a cool way to help get control of your frustration.